From the Sabado Boys, number 15, Cabral pulls the 3 from the downtown. Recovered by number 6, short ang tira. Nakuha ni number 10, De Guzman pulls the 3. Airball, hindi pumasok. Sablay ang tira ni number 10 and number 17 at the baseline. Puts it in, number 17 from Sabado Boys. 2 points. RLIM pulls the 3. Rebounds number 28. Number 17 fakes, and it's in. And it's number 25. Here's number 10, De Guzman fakes. And there's a 3 seconds violation. Number 15, Cabral. And recovered by the RLIM. Malakas ang pasa. Number 15 to number 10, Sabado Boys. In the paint, no look pass. And it's good. What a beautiful isolation. And a score by number 30. Number 15, first personal foul. Second one is good. De Guzman, number 15, pulls the 3. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 25 to number 2. Penetrates, nawala ang bola. Kaya ni number 10 to number 15, Cabral. Cabral penetrates. Won't go. Rebound by number 10, De Guzman. De Guzman to number 2 at the baseline. And there's a foul committed by number 13. Number 30. Number 30, second personal foul. Number 28, pulls the 3 from the downtown, overshoots. Rebound by number 6 from the Sabado Boys. Yan na si Nolasco. Nolasco, walang bola. Number 10 finds number 6, and there's a foul committed by number 2. The RLIM. Number 6 will be in the line. Cervantes. Malakas ang tira. Second free throw is good. Seven-4 ang ating score. Number 28, Villanueva to number 10, De Guzman pulls the 3 from the downtown. 3 points. And that's number 15, Cabral. Cabral drop pass to number 6. Won't go. Rebound by number 8, long pass to the wrong man. Number 15, Cabral. Sabado Boys, floater, jumper, and it's goal. RLIM. The number 10, De Guzman pulls the 3 again. In and out. Number 17 from the Sabado Boys. Muira ng 3. Muntik na pumasok. Wala. Wasn't. Number 2.
Platon, di pa kayo Platon.
Wasn't. Wala yan. Na-rebound ni number 6. It is number 15, Cabral. Cabral, ang ganda ng pasahan. Puts it in! Substitution tayo, platoon. Ang score natin, 11-7 in favor of the Sabado boys. Bawat team sa may tigla lamang timeout. And si number 28. Yan is steal by number 7. Number 7. Hinaharas and is steal by number. Walang wala. Same ball possession. For the green team. Number 15. Cabral. Finds the wrong man. Arelayan. Number 11, Avila to number 5, puts it in. Number 5, jumper. Number 7, setting up the play, finds number 15, hesitates in the paint, sidestep, finds number 20, pulls, short. Rebound by number 11 to number 25. Number 25, perimeter shot, won't go. Rebound na yan, number 7 from the Green Boys. Sabado Boys. Cabral. Cabral, to Cabral. Number 7, penetrates, forcing the offense, overshoots, recovered. O kaya ng RLIM, number 28, libre na yan. Wins the three, and it's good. 3 points. Number 28. Cabral, number 17 to number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Finds number 15. Number 15 fakes, passing to the Roman. RLIM, number 28 again. Overshoots. Out of bounds. Bola na ng Sabado Boys. Two minutes remaining in this first quarter. And as number 15, pulls the 3. Won't go. Rebound by number 11. Number 11 to number 25, Plutero. Pulls the 3 from the downtown. Overshoots. Libre na yung kakampi. Number 22, wala. Tabulay. Ayan na si number 7. Number 7. Behind the back pass, libre. And it's good by number 10. And si number. And it's good. Ganda. Number 22.
Walang number
17,
Kapapasok.
wala yan.
Kapapasok lang yun. Chape, ano ba yun? Pilyedo na.
Kakarating lang.
Si Villanueva. Navarro. 4-3. Wala yan. Time remaining 42 seconds in this first quarter. Number 17 finds number 20 in the paint. Overshoots, rebound by number 8. Number 8. Inaras si number 15. And there's a foul committed by number 15.
Ay, 15.
Number 15, first personal foul. Number 25 in the paint, pulls, puts it in.
25.
10 seconds na lang tayo. 13-16 ang ating score. Number 15. And a steal. Long pass. 2. Malakas ang pass, ha? Diyan na nagtatapos ang first quarter. Ang ating official score is 16-13 in favor of the Aralayan. We are now in the second quarter of this game. Still in the eliminations. This time is brought to you by our beloved sponsors. Aris Nieto, Noriel German, Ariel, and our Honorable JV Villanueva, Mayor JV Villanueva.
Aris Nieto.
Tako. Ay, ano?
Our next game for tonight will be between Batya Community Pharmacy and Shiano. And our last game is between Maliv Senior and Boston 10. Guzman from the downtown puts it in. Rebound. Cabral, bumawi ng 3. Short, recovered by number 20. Floater shot, short pa rin yan. Out of bounds. Yan si number 28. Finds number 22, overshoots. Out of bounds. Cabral, number 15. Cabral sin, hesitates. Nawalang bola. Steal by number 22 to number 28. Easy shot. Cabral, number 15, pulls the 3. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 10, De Guzman. De Guzman faking. Pass to number 28. Jumper. Overshoots. Rebound by number 6. Number 30. Number 15. Wala pa rin yan. Na-rebound number 11. Number 11. Finds De Guzman. De Guzman burning the arc. Puts it in. 3 points.
Time out niya.
Sabado boys.
Ano yung na-apelyedo ng 22?
Buwasan. Hindi.
Hindi yun. Ano?
Ano na?
Ayan o. Ano apelyedo mo?
Duarte.
Janet.
Duarte.
Number 15. Cabral.
3 points.
Number 20. 3 points.
Jabate.
Chapati pa.
Number 6. Rebound. Sabado boys. And there's a foul by number 22. Number 22, first personal foul.
Ba't di may sulat? Chapati.
Pulls a 3, short. Recovered. And it's good by number 30. And ang Sabado Boys, forcing the offense. Ang ganda ng pasa. Pero hindi pumasok. Rebound by the RLI team. Rebound ulit. Nakuha ulit ang number 17 from the Sabado Boys. Number 15, recovered by number 16. Number 6. Ang ating score, 28-24 in favor of RLIM. Long pass to out of bounds. Recovered pa rin yan ni number 28 to number 22, back to number 28. Using that board, and it's good. Out of bounds. Ayan ang RLI team. Number 10. Wala. Rebound ulit ni number 6. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 17. 17. Sabado Boys. And there's a foul. Substitution tayo. Platoon. Who's foul rep? Number 21. Number 22. Number 22, second personal foul. Number 6 is good. Pasok. Second one is good.
Dalawa na.
Ang score natin, 22-26. Baba sa apat ang lamangan ng RLIM. RLIM to number 2. One go. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 to number. The steal by number 10, De Guzman. Lipat na yan, and it's good. Number 15. And a traveling violation.
Mag-charge mo na ako. Yan mo na mamaya.
And si De Guzman. De Guzman. Number 8 pulls the 3, overshoots, rebound by number 7. Number 7 dribbling the ball, penetrates, isolates, and a foul by number 8. Number 8, first personal foul.
Pumasa.
Hindi pumasok ang unang tira. Second one is good. Number 10, towards the 3 from the downtown. 3 points. Time remaining 2 minutes and 58 seconds. 46 seconds. Traveling violation. Number 10 pulls the 3 again, and it's good. Number 10 is on fire tonight. De Guzman. Umaway si number 15. Pumasok ba? Short. Short ang tira. Ayun si number 10. Tumira ulit. Muntik na naman.
Pag hindi na babantayan, talagang may percentage.
Number 7 has forcing the offense. And there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Out of bounds lang. Mira, short. Rebound by number 8, Navarro, pulls the 3. Won't go. Recovered. Going number 7 from the Sabado Boys. Number 6, step back 3, short. Recovered by number 15. Pulls the 3, short pa rin. O yan, ni number 22. Number 22 penetrates and it's good. 1 minute 24 in the second quarter. Pasok yan kay number 6. Long pass, out of bounds. 1 minute na lang tayo, 10 seconds. The 7, Cabral to number 20, pulls the 3, overshoots, rebound by number 22. Number 22, pinasa kay number 8. Number 8. And there's a foul committed by number 10 from the Sabado Boys. Number 10, first personal foul. And the first one is good. For number 8, bonus shot. Second one is good. Score natin, 25-38 in favor of the RL Lion. Ayun na naman ang RL Lion team, number 8. RL Lion, tumira rin ng press. One go, recovered by number 22. And it's good. No pass to number 6. Number 6, Sabado Boys. Number 30. Wala yan. Number 20 pala yun. Guzman, tumira. Fakes, number 22. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 2. Easy shot by number 2. 4 seconds na lang tayo. And pasok pa rin yan kay number 7. Challenge the second quarter of this game. 42-27. We are now on the halftime of this game. Wala na tayong platoon. Maganda ang susunod na bakbakan. Shano versus Batya Community Pharmacy. And our last game is between Maliw and Boss Tenten. Alright, back to the hardcore tayo. Third quarter.
Itong Sabado Boys, pangalawa na yan.
Number 15, Cabral pulls the 3, short.
Hindi nila tumalas.
Yan si number 22. Kuha number 2 pasong. Pass to number 28. Number 30, baseline shot, puts it in. Number 28. Recover, that is good. Put back shot by number 28.
Tanggalin mo muna yung USB mo.
Ito yan.
Pag hindi mo ginagamit patay mo.
Ayan na, si number.
Pumasok wala.
Number 28, pulls the three. One ball. Supply ang tira ni number 7. 20. Ayan na si number 7. Namitan na. Wala pa rin. Kuha ng Aralaya. Mga score na rin. 44-29. Tambak pa rin. Number 2.
Tuwazon. Number 7.
Number 2 na naman. Tuwazon. Pinasa ka number 10. There goes one. Pulls the three. Sablay na this time. Ayan na si number 15. Tumira ng tres. Pasok yan kay number 15. Number 10. Pinasa sa kalaban. Okay, number 10. Yung number 7. Yung number 15. Cabral. Tumira ng tres. Sablay yan. Kuha ni number 28. Number 28. Penetrates. Number 28 steal. Put up. Finds number 2. Wasn't. 3 points. Number 2. Time out. Pag-dead ball. Yan ang si number. That is good. Wala. Wala para yun. Yan natin yung araw na rin. Ano pa? Aralayan.
Tigdadalawa pa sila. Hindi na makairong over yung tatlo, di ba? Sa first and second. Wala na yun, di ba?
Sabado boys, meron pa kayong tatlong timeout. Aralayan, dalawa na lang.
Next mo lang, next mo. Number 15. Number 15. Wala na tayo.
Hello. Number 15, number 28, Aralayan. Pulls the three, and it's good! 3 points! 20 na ang kalamangan. And a steal by the Aralayan, number 28. Umatras. Number 25. Number 28. And seconds to shoot. Number 8, Tumira. Short. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, setting up the play. Finds number 15. Cabral. Lumipad, malakas ang tira. Number 25. Traveling violation. Magandang ang susunod na maglalaban. Shano versus Patya Community Pharmacy. Magandang laban yun. Ayan na si Aralayan. Aralayan nagpapadali. Number 25 Vitero. Number 28 pulls the trigger. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 11. Number 28 steal. Forcing the offense. Finds number. Puts it in. Ganda ng pasahan ng dalawa. Number 7. Nawala ang bola ng uhaya ng Aralayan. Number 28, Villanueva penetrates out of bounds. Number 7, Cabral. Finds number 15, Cabral. Pulls. Short. Rebound by RL Lion. Number 10, 11. Number 11. Number 25, fakes. Overshoots. Put back shot by number 11. Number 7. Uliwan ng dalawang kalaban. Behind the back pass to number 30. In and out. Rebound by number 28. Pulls a 3. Short lang ang tira. Top of the ball is number 15. Cabral. To number 7. Number 7 penetrates. Forcing the offense. Wrong go. Rebound by RL Lion. RL Lion. Nagbawat na yan. Number 8. Finds number 28. And it's goal by number 28. Time remaining 2 minutes and 12. 58-32 ang ating score. Nakahabol pa kaya ang Sabado Boys. Number 15, Cabral pulls a 3, 1 go, rebound by. Out of bounds, same ball possession. Ang ganda ng pasahan ni number 11 to number 10, number 30. Malakas ang tira ni number 11. And si number 17. Number 17 still. Nawala ang bola. Number 8. Number 8. Number 22. Javare. Airball. Time remaining 1 minute and 14. (58-34). 24 lamang. Short ang tira ni number 22. 53 seconds na lang tayo sa third quarter. Number 17, Cabral pulls a 3. 3 points. Next game, magbihis-bihis na, maganda-handa na. Batya Community Pharmacy versus Shano. Number 20 again, pulls a 3. 3 points. Unstoppable na si number 28. Number 15, bumawi ng 3. Short ang tira, recovered by number 7 to number 17. Pulls a 3 from the downtown. And it's good. Number 17, burning the arc. Number 25, Pasok Peter, Pasok again by number 25. And we are now in the last quarter of this game. 63-40 ang ating score in favor of RLIM. And this time is brought to you by our beloved sponsors, Honorable Aris Nieto, Honorable Alvin Cotaco, and Noriel German. Of course, our beloved Mayor, J.V. Villanueva. Tambis sponsor, and Fridays, ang Chicken Joy ng Bayan. Yan ang ating mga sponsors for this league. We're still in the elimination rounds between RLIM and Sabado Boys. Our next game will be between Batya Community Pharmacy and Shano. Ito yung araw kung sino yung possession, goal possession.
Third quarter sa green tayo.
Number 2, Guazon pulls a 3. Won't go. Rebound ni number 11. Nakalakas na rebound yun. Ipang Mayday na. And it's number 7 to number 17. Fakes. And challenged by number 11. And there's a foul. Number 17. Number 17. First personal foul. Number 28. Pulls a 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 20. Number 7. Sabado Boys. Nagdadala ng bola. Penetrates and it's good by number 7. Number 22. Pulls a 3. Sabla yung tira. Rebound number 6. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7 against number 8. Number 7 penetrates. And it's good by number 7. Number 11 to number 28, hesitates. Finds number 8, pulls. 3 points, number 8. (68-44) ang ating score. Number 7, Cabral. Number 7 to number 20, step back 3. Overshoots, rebound by number 11. Pass to number 28. Number 28, pumeso na naman sa 3. Goes a 3. And it's good! Number 7. Number 7 from the Sabado Boys. Number 17, Cabral pulls a 3. Puts it in. Rebound! And si number 10, inbound the ball. Number 20, pulls, floater, short, rebound by number 2. Number 2, Guazon, pinit bit, and it's good. Number 7, Cabral penetrates in the paint. Nakita ang kasama, kuha ni number 11. Double dribble tayo. Time out. Time out, Sabado Boys. Both teams may tigda dalawang time out.
Hindi na lang, 30 na. Hindi na lang, 30 na. Ayan.
Meron pa tayo naiiwang 6 minutes and 27 seconds in this last quarter. Ang susunod na maglalaban ay Katya Community Pharmacy versus Shana. Alright, back to the hard court. Number 10 inbound to the ball from the Sabado Boys. Looking for the finds number 6, and it's good. Number 25 to number 28. Pulls the 3 again. Puts it in. 3 points. Grabe yun. Si number 28. Ayaw bawat. Yan, babawi si Cabral, number 15, pulls a 3, 3 points! Bulat ng 3. Yan naman si number 28, ang kanan ng pumasahan. Tumira na naman, pasok na naman yan! 3 points by number 28, ayaw na talaga paawat. Yan, sasagot na naman ang Sabado Boys. Number 15, Cabral, bumanat naman. Pasok din yan kay Cabral. Sagutin ng 3. Bulan talaga ng 3 yan. Binantayan na si number 20. Number 22, number 25, bumanat din ng tres. Pasok din niya kay number 25. Grabe mga to. Bumanat si number 17. Tumira ng tres. Munti ka na. Na-rebound na yan ni number 25. Number 25, binaras. Number 11. Pass number 28, libre na naman. Pasok mo naman yan. Wala na. Naubos na. Yan si number 7. Number 7 against number 28. Finds number 10. Number 10, pinalis. Wala.
Pinalis ah.
Ayan na. Kaya pa nga puli yan. 3 minutes pa yan. Number 25. Ayan na si number 7. Nadulas. Nakuha ni number 17. Number 17, nagmamadali. Titira din ng 3 yan. Pasok din yan kay number 17. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Ayan na si number 22. Number 22. Na walang bola. 82-58. Kaya pang habulin yan. Umira, wala. Ayan na si number 28. Libre na naman sa 3. Pasok na naman yan. Aray ko po.
Alis sa ayaw na sumayag sa ring eh.
Muna na si number 17. Wala. Grabe naman mga kamay yan. Number 22, bumanat din ng 3. Wala. Rebound na. Sabado Boys. Sabado Boys. Number 17, France number 15. Ito na, bumanat silang number 15. 4-3. Short. Sa kanya pa rin. Short pa rin. 2 minutes. Long 3. In and out. Recovered. Put back shot. Puts it in. Ay, number 11. Oh, na, si number 7. Finds number 17. Hesitates, penetrates, finds number 6. Baseline shot. Puts it in. Ang ating score, 87-60. 27. Ayun na naman, si number 28. Sablay na this time. Yan na si Hernandez. Hernandez pulls the 3. Short. Recovered. Out of bounds. 1 minute 23 in this last quarter. And na si number 2. Pasok yan kay number 2. And si number 17. Libre. Iwan. Pinasa sa pinagbigyan. Number 10. Ayan pa, meron pang oras. 56 seconds.